class 4 in your e-learning classes, as we are revising the very first chapter, going to school, and today I'll take some of the name of them in this video, and I will explain you the answers, and when I will give these questions in your e-portal so that you can find out the answers and you can easily write the answers. Okay, so EVS first chapter, going to school. These are few, name them or write the answers in a one word. So the very first question is, or the very first name them is, this structure is built to connect both the water body, railway track or two joining roads. So what it should be, when a structure is being made to join two roads or over a railway track or two roads, when these joining places are called, they are called bridges. So sometimes we across the water body, sometimes we across the railway tracks, sometimes we across two roads. So these all are the joining structure, and these are made to join two structures so that we can go from one place to another place very easily without feeling the hindrance of that specific space. Okay, so once we have seen overbridge over here, next one is pulley helps this vehicle to move across the road and to reach the other side of the river or the hill. So where we have read this, we have read these type of structures are made. It is a wooden box and carried by the pulley and move with the help of the rope from one place to another. So this structure is actually trolley, and wherever we are seeing them very much, we can see them in the hill areas, because the persons or the students has to go from one hill to another hill, sometimes over the river, and somewhere places where it is difficult to make a bridge or some another communicating structure. So in these areas, especially these trolleys are very much important and very useful. So the second answer is trolley. Now third one is, give an example of a semi-pakka bridge. So we know three types of bridges you have seen and three types of bridges you have done in your chapter. One is the bridge which is made up of bamboo sticks, and these are very temporarily bridge. So instantly it has been made to across some places, and then within few days or within few months it just break down. But another one structure is there. What is that? Which is a very it is made with the help of the sticks, and these are made from actually not from the concrete materials, not from the cement, but these are tightly bind. So this is not a narrow bridge. It is made with the help of thick bamboo sticks, and they are just tied with the ropes, and these structures are usually stay for some years also. So this is a semi-pakka bridge. Okay. Now the next question is, this is the small wooden boat found in Kerala. So we know and we have seen this is the wooden boat, just like a round in shape, and it is very small, and people sometimes go to their offices from this boat, and some vegetable vendors sell their take their vegetables and bring their vegetables from this boat, and students, generally students who go to school, they also use this kind of boat. So what is the name of this boat? This is Vela. Okay. The next fifth one word answer you have to give. Students use this cart to reach school in deserted area. So we know which vehicle is very famous in deserted area. It is camel, and this animal carry the cart that is called the camel cart, and this kind of carriages are very much important and very much famous in this local area of the Rajasthan. So people use this camel cart. Sometimes they ride on the camel, and another time they use this carriage or the camel cart to carry students, to carry people from one place to another place. And what about in plains? Later on we come to know. Okay, people use this type of cart especially in the villages of the plain. So we have seen in our villages the farmers use to carry the things or the harvested crops from their farm to their home, or sometimes to their farmhouse from their field. So what kind of carriage they use? They generally use bullocks. 2 bullocks carry this type of cart, and these type of carts are called bullock carts. So usually in the plains we see bullock carts to carry the materials or the things from one place to another. Now the next question is, write the name of the vehicle which is made by using waste materials. So it is given in your book. What does the mean of jugat? Jugat means putting together. So what we are putting together? We are putting together the waste materials, and out of this waste material we are making one kind of vehicle. So the people of Gujarat, they used to make this kind of vehicle, and they use waste materials. The anterior part of the this bullock car, these type of motorcycles, and the carriage part is actually made up of few pieces of the planks or the wooden planks to make a box like structure. And this is the anterior part is actually the part of a motorcycle, or you can say bikes, and the other posterior part is just a square shaped vehicle or the carriage, and it is just stay, or it is just fixed on wheels, and it is carried by the motorcycle machine. So these kind of vehicles generally makes lots of sound, and these kind of vehicles are called jugat. So answer is jugat. Then next is, the path of this geographical area are rocky and uneven. So in which area we see that roads are not neatly means they are very uneven and rocky, especially in the Uttarakhand mountains. So you can write hilly areas of the Uttarakhand, or you can write the mountains also. And which places is very calm and quiet. While going to school, students can hear only few kind of sound of the animals. So they hear few animal sounds and few kinds of bird sound and the singing of the birds. But usually there is no vehicle, there are no people, and there are no other body to disturb the this atmosphere. So what is that place? That is jungle. Okay. So next one, and the very next one, or the 9th one is, in snowy places students go to school by this means. So how they go to school? In the summer seasons they held or they hold each other's hand, and they go to school by this way or by walk. So these all about your one-word answers which I will give in your e-portal, and you have to write all the answers by your own. And after 2 and 3 days I will give you the solved answer also, but I want that everybody will write the answers and submit it to me in the homework section. Okay, that's all for today, and goodbye. Stay at your home. Be safe. Okay.